Okay, can you briefly introduce yourself and your company?
Hello, well, I'm the technical director for Vortex. Vortex is a company that started its process about 5 years ago, and we are a company in which we perform wind modeling for wind professionals, and we are also, let's say wind professionals. So we come from the industry, and we developed all our wind products directly for the industry, knowing very well exactly what the industry needs. And I'm in charge of the technical direction of the company. So I'm currently developing new products and very aware of what the market needs in terms of the wind of the virtual wind data. And we are a small team, but very dedicated team. We are 10 people right now, currently based in Barcelona, in Spain, and we've been trying to focus a lot on just the wind data that we offer. We want the data to have a lot of quality.
And so can you give me a bit more information about a bit more detail about what it is that the technology that you offer is? You know, what does it do? How does it model the wind? You know.
Okay. Yes. We run a mesoscale model from reanalysis meteorological data sets that different meteorological centers in the world provide. We use this data to downscale the results of the wind at a higher resolution, which is something that the wind industry needs to get higher resolution on the wind forecast, on the wind hindcasts and the wind data for setting up for getting much better wind assessments. So we are, let's say, we focus on get accurate results for wind resource assessments. Okay, so we run a mesoscale model at very high resolution, and we get very accurate results in terms of wind speed and wind direction and other mesoscale variables as well.
And how does that differ from other companies that do similar things on the market?
Yes, we have one of the main difference between Vortex and other competitors is that we run everything on demand. So we do not have anything pre-computed on the system, because we want to keep very updated to the latest improvements on the modeling community. The modeling community and meteorological community coming from all over the world, especially from ECNWF centers in Europe and NASA or NCEP centers in the States, they evolve every day, and the model that we use for downscaling the wind and getting really nice resolutions for the wind resource assessments is evolving constantly. So we need to keep updated to that. We don't want to use to pre-compute the whole world based on a single version of the model, because if we do that, then we have to recalculate everything anytime that the model evolves. So we want to be at the latest versions of the system.
Okay. What are your main markets? Where do you mainly operate? Where are most of your clients based, or which parts of the world do you operate in?
Vortex is mainly operating in Europe. Okay, many users are mainly in north of Europe and Spain as well, of course, where we are based, and we have secondary markets, which is Brazil, very important to us as well, Chile as well, and also other countries in South America. But Turkey is going pretty nice as well, and India is moving fast. So we have some agents in there, and in the North American market we are trying to penetrate the market as well. It's quite tough because our main competitors are in there, but we are fighting that. And we are trying to expand to new markets as China. We've been dealing with China as well, also tough, but we are getting the first good feedbacks from there, and Well, basically that's the main markets that we are trying to operate. Yes.
Okay. So where do you see the company going in the next 5 years? Is the main focus to expand into new markets?
That's the company has two objectives for the new years, and the first one is trying to expand, just let's say on a country view. So indeed that was one of the main objectives. But then the second objective is we have to keep very aware of what the market needs. So we are extending our products into new needs of the market. Let's call, because since now we've been based on just wind, so we are moving into new products such as solar, offshore products, also forecasting for the wind and power. So we are trying to widen our portfolio so that we can be much more competitive in the near future.
Okay, and lastly, what was your motivation for attending the event today?
We came last year here in the event that we had in Glasgow, and it was very surprising, very positive for us, because we came here just as an extra exhibition, not expecting very much, and we had many people coming to our booth asking for our products with a very nice, it seemed that we had a very nice reputation here in the UK, and we wanted to repeat because it was a very good experience, and it seems to be again this year.
Excellent, thank you very much.
Thanks to you.